Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Instagram Explorer page. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up Instagram application on your mobile phone. After coming to Instagram, just simply hit the search bar below to enter in Explore page. So after coming to Explore page, here you guys will be able to see lots of videos here. So unfortunately there is no any direct way to just simply turning on or turning off an option to reset an Explore page, but we can do some lots of steps. So some of them are, what you guys have to do is just simply search for that specific post which is like irrelevant to your Explore page. So for example, this is a post I just don't want it on my Explore page. So for that I have to just simply hit the three dot of that post. So after tapping on three dots, here you will be able to see the not interested button. Just simply hit that not interested button. So after tapping on that, you guys can be able to see there are lots of reasons. You guys can select any of the reason. So I'm just selecting any of them. So after that, you have to just simply, here you have to mark the not interested in every of the specific irrelevant post on your Explore page. So after that, what it can do is Instagram will remove all those irrelevant posts from your Instagram Explore page, and in this way you guys can reset your Instagram Explore page easily. And another thing is, if you have liked any irrelevant post, then Instagram will suggest you that specific post on Explore page. So if in order to prevent this, what you have to do is just simply click on below right corner of your profile icon. After tapping on your profile, you have to just simply tap on the top right corner of three lines. So after coming to settings, what you have to do is just simply scroll down until you're able to find the your activity section. Here is the your activity. Just simply tap on your activity, and here you have to do is just simply check the likes or comments. So what you have to do is just simply remove all the likes on unnecessary posts, or remove the comments on all unnecessary posts, and in this way you guys can reset your complete Instagram Explore page, and you guys can customize your Instagram Explore page. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.